next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black. The gas in the back of the set, never leave. She's so bad that the can't fade the black.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan your own hands can land your